journey to more views begins inside YouTube Studio. This is the command center where every successful creator manages uploads, analytics, thumbnails, and audience growth. To upload a new video, locate the Create button in the upper right corner of the dashboard. This is where every YouTube upload begins. From the menu that appears, select Upload Videos to launch the video upload workflow. Click Select Files and choose the video you want to publish. Ensure you've uploaded the final edited version before proceeding. Before publishing, create a title that combines searchable keywords with curiosity. Your title is often the first thing viewers notice. Next, write a description that clearly explains your video's topic. Include important keywords naturally to help YouTube understand your content. A thumbnail can determine whether someone clicks your video or scrolls past it. Upload a custom thumbnail designed to create curiosity and attention. Add your video to a relevant playlist. This can increase session watch time and encourage viewers to watch more of your content. Choose public visibility when you're ready for viewers to discover your content. Double-check all settings before moving forward. Click Publish to make your video live. Once published, monitor analytics closely to understand how viewers interact with your content and identify opportunities for future growth. Uploading a video is only half the process. The creators who consistently earn more views focus on titles, thumbnails, audience retention, and delivering value that keeps viewers watching until the very end.